Every morning, I climb into the sky. Step after step, getting closer to God. Or am I? They see the crane. They see the work. But no one sees what happens inside my head. Above the town, steel under my boots, all the noise fades down. The people below are dots in the streets, while thunder and silence collide inside me. Higher and higher, closer to the light, but height doesn't mean that the soul is alright. I may touch the clouds, I may stand near the sun, still fighting the battles that no one has won. My hands must be steady, my eyes must be clear. One wrong move can turn a heartbeat to fear. One careless pull, one swing too wide, and someone below may not make it alive. So I breathe, I pray, I hold the line, because one small movement can change somebody's life. Lonely crane operator between earth and sky, one hand on the lever, one prayer asking why. 100 life below me, silence overhead, one wrong move from my hands, and a man could end up dead. Lonely crane operator, high above the lights, living with the darkness, searching for the bright. Maybe every morning I climb closer to you, but God, lift up my spirit when my body makes it through. Long hours alone with the wind and the steel, no place to hide from the things that I feel. Some thoughts bring daylight, some drag me below, some tell me to hold on, some tell me to let go. The past comes knocking when the city goes quiet. Old wounds, old mistakes, old ghosts start a riot. But I fold my hands, not because I surrender. I pray for the strength just to make it to December. Give me today, just today, nothing more. And somewhere inside me I hear, I'm here, hold on. Lonely crane operator between earth and sky, one hand on the lever, one prayer asking why. 100 lives below me, silence overhead, one wrong move from my hands, and a man could end up dead. Lonely crane operator, high above the lights, living with the darkness, searching for the bright. Maybe every morning I climb closer to you, but God, lift up my spirit when my body makes it through. Then comes a message from someone who knows the same road. Not a soldier, not a hero, not a saint, just another man trying not to fall again. A man who knows the bottom, a man who knows the thirst, a man who knows that loneliness can sometimes hurt the worst. Alone we're not an army, alone we're easy prey, but one broken man can tell another, brother, stay. Alone. with you. Every morning I climb into the sky, step after step. Maybe the question was never how high I climbed above the ground. Maybe it was how far I climbed above myself.